Now, I've always said the Tesla isn't just a car, it's a computer on wheels. And sometimes the computer and even your iPhone, yes, your iPhone, needs to be reset from time to time. Now, unlike most cars, there is no power off button. The car turns off on its own, it goes into idle, but there's also a deeper sleep mode, which I recommend everyone does from time to time. And to do this, the car simply has to be shut off and Sentry mode has to be off as well. Then in about 15 or so minutes, the car will go into a deep sleep. You'll know the car goes into a deep sleep because you'll hear some clunking sounds. And then when you try to open the door, it lags a little bit. And then you'll hear all these clicking and popping sounds as everything's trying to connect and turn back on. And again, that's all completely normal. However, I do recommend your Tesla going into that deep sleep because it's good to kind of recalibrate your high voltage battery. And if there are any small issues that need to be fixed with a full restart. So how do I reset the Tesla? To do this, there are a few ways. But why would I want to restart the Tesla in the first place? It's good to do if you feel like it's glitchy or laggy. And sometimes the screen may even be unresponsive. So sometimes you even have to do it while driving. Yeah, you could do it while you're driving. I also always do it after a software update just to restart everything. And sometimes I'll do it if I'm not getting a software update just to see if it's going to reset and it'll push an update to me. But in the 3 years that I've tried it, it never worked once. Now, the first and easiest is the 2-finger reset. It's like a hard reset for the car. All you have to do is hold both scroll wheels and the screen turns black. And again, pro tip, you can also do this while driving. Everything still works, you just can't see your speed. Another way is power cycling. This one's kind of interesting. First, you have to be in the car, go to controls, safety, and power off. The screen turns off and the car essentially shuts off. And it's good to do if you're chilling in the car and your light stays on, but it does turn off your climate and all that stuff, so keep that in mind. You can power off the car by waiting for at least 2 minutes. Then to turn it back on, you put your foot on the brake. Make sure during that time you're not touching the screen or doing anything to wake up the car on accident. And that's pretty much it. Those are the ways to kind of reset the car if there are any issues. It's definitely something to do every so often. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.